Hi guys, welcome to my biology project. As the title says, today I'm going to make salt bread, which has recently gone viral in Korea and maybe in Indonesia too. So through this activity, we'll not only learn how to make the bread, but also explore the fermentation process behind it. So let's get started. Before we start, we need to make sure our hand and the table is free from contamination, so keep it sterile all the time. First, let's measure all the ingredients we need for this recipe. So we need 650 grams of bread flour, 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of sugar, 8 grams of yeast, 16 grams of salt, and also 40 grams of milk powder. Next, combine all the dry ingredients in the mixing bowl and turn on the mixer at medium speed. Prepare 240 grams of ice cold water and gradually pour it in while mixing. Once mixed, add 20 grams of unsalted butter and continue mixing for about 15 minutes until the dough is smooth and no longer sticky. Prepare some bread flour and lightly dust it on the table. Take out the dough and shape it into a ball. Then, place it back in the bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and let it rest for 30 minutes. While waiting, let's take a quick look at yeast. Yeast is a single-celled fungus essential for bread making. It feeds on sugar and releases carbon dioxide, which help the dough to rise and creating a soft, airy texture. Next, take out the dough and divide it into smaller portions, each weighing about 60 grams. One batch of this recipe can make around 20 pieces of bread. I also made a smaller version by using 30-gram portions, which gives me around 12 mini breads. Wrap each ball in baking paper and let them rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, shape each piece into a raindrop form, small and pointed at one end, rounded at the other, and let them rest again for 10 minutes. Roll each piece into a triangle using a rolling pin. Then, cut the butter into a small cube, each weighing about 20 grams, and place it in the middle of triangle base. Then roll it up tightly from the white base to the tip. This is what the shape should look like once it's rolled. Lightly spray the dough with water and cover with plastic wrap. Let it rest for 45 minutes. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Once ready, bake the dough for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the bread out of the oven. And it's done! Look at that beautiful texture. So, I think that's all for today's video. Thank you!